Good morning, sir. I am Bandhanaz Jalwar. Today we are discussing about SEBI substantial acquisition of shares and takeover regulations under 2011. First one, meaning of takeover: a transaction or a series of transactions whereby a person acquires control over the assets of a company either directly by becoming the owner of those assets or indirectly by acquiring control of the management of the company. In other words, a takeover is the purchase of one company, that is the target, by another, the acquirer bidder. Objectives of takeover. Takeover code. First one is protect the interest of investors in securities and the securities market. To balance the conflicting objectives and interest of various stakeholders. Third one, to provide each shareholder an opportunity to exit his investment in the target company. To provide acquirers with a transparent legal framework to acquire and to make an open offer. To ensure that fair and accurate disclosure of all material information is made. To regulate and provide for fair and effective competition among acquirers desirous of taking over the same target company. When an acquirer takes over the control of the target company, it is termed as takeover. When an acquirer acquires substantial quantity of shares of voting rights of the target company, it results into substantial acquisition of shares. The meaning of substantial acquisition directly or indirectly by an acquirer or jointly with persons acting in concert with him of 25% or more of the shares of or voting rights of a listed company. Acquisition directly or indirectly by an acquirer or jointly with persons acting in concert with him who already hold 25% or more but less than 75% of shares. A further 5% of shares or voting rights in any financial year. Acquirer. An acquirer means any individual or company or any other legal entity which intends to acquire substantial quantity of shares or voting rights of target company or acquires or agrees to acquire control over the target company. It includes persons acting in concert with the acquirer. The meaning of acquisition is it means directly or indirectly acquiring or agreeing to acquire shares or voting rights in or control over a target company. Example: Flipkart acquired Myntra in May 2014 for around rupees 2000 crores. The meaning of control. Control includes the right to appoint directly or indirectly or by virtue of agreements or in any other manner majority of directors on the board of the target company or to control management or policy decisions affecting the target company. The meaning of target company is a target company means a company and includes a body corporate or corporation established under a central legislation, state legislation or provincial legislation for the time being in force, whose shares are listed on a stock exchange. Thank you, sir.